Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild and solitary predator, and typically not human-friendly. They can be found in a variety of habitats across the Americas, from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes in South America. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Puma, 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 while in American accent, we may pronounce it as Puma, 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 Puma. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about pumas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.